Hello, bass players. We're going to play through Fiddles on Fire by Mark Williams. A couple of little points to keep in mind when playing this piece. One is how to place the bow to make sure that we're always getting a great sound on this bow, because we have a lot of rest and then we start the bow, and then rest and then we start the bow. And starting and stopping the bow is one of the things that makes this piece difficult, and making sure we get the sound out at the right time. So I always want to make sure that I practice wiggling this string, okay, all right, and then I'm always getting this great sound out of the bass like this, right? So then I'm going, and I practice slowly by going set, 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 wiggle, like this, set, wiggle, okay. Always, 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 so that I'm always getting alright, getting a great tone out of the bass. I don't want to get that's where the bow hair is just skidding on top of the string. So we always want alright, especially at 29 where you have the melody. Also remember C natural, second finger down here on the A string. Alright, make sure we're getting second finger down there for the C natural. Super important for the intonation. Okay, here we go. We're going to start right at measure 4. And I'm just going to count the rest from 29 to 37 in case you're playing this along with somebody else. Because it says second time only. Okay, here we go. Starting at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two. And notice that sometimes I was singing during the rest, singing the violin part or singing the other parts of the piece. What you should be doing when you're playing is listening to the other sections of the orchestra. If you will listen around instead of just counting your part, you'll never be late or early ever again. You'll always be in the right spot because you'll learn exactly where your notes fall in relation to the rest of the ensemble. And singing their part during your rest makes it a lot more fun and helps to count the rest and really come in at the right time in a more musical way. right, thanks.